Okay, this question, all the rates question, 7 and 8, may look a bit difficult to you now, but trust me, it is one of the easiest question to solve. You just have to understand the method. All right. So the method to do, I know there's other methods, but after exploring all the different methods, Matrix Math concluded that this method is the easiest. Okay. There are other methods. I do not disagree with you. There are other methods. You'll probably find other methods to solve it. But I would like you to try and learn this method, because when the question is complicated, this method will become very helpful. Your method, if it's not the same as ours, maybe can solve simple question, all right? But complicated one maybe cannot. Okay, so listen. Now, this is a rate question. When you read a rate question, you will be able to identify it. It's very obvious, right? Now, once you know it's a rate question, every rate question consists of 3 elements. Listen, 3 elements. The first element will be the number of days, the time, number of hours, number of minutes, whatever, but it is time, all right? That's the first element. Second element is the work done. The work done in this question is about painting rooms, right? Other question could be in question number 8, the work done is relating to catching mice, right? Other work done could be painting, folding paper, folding clothes. So basically work done is doing things, right? Doing certain things. You will know what is work done, okay, when you read the question carefully. The third thing is the people doing it or animals doing it. That means the number of resource involved to do the job. So there's 3 things. One is time, one is the work done, and third is the resources you use to do the work. Okay? So in this question, the resources used to do the work is the men. The work done is the room painted. The time is the days. So when you read a question, it's always like that, okay? Three elements. So put it out. So 10 men can paint 2 rooms in 5 days. Okay? All right? Now, the question is, how many men are needed to paint 6 rooms in 1 day? So your job is to change the 2 rooms to 6 rooms and your 5 days to 1 day. And then the number of men will turn out to be the answer. Okay? The rule is this. Listen, there's 2 rules. You can only change one at a time, either rooms or days. You cannot change both. Okay? You can only change room or change days, one at a time. Rule number 1. Number 2, in this method, you can only divide or multiply. There's no plus and no minus. Okay? Of course, to solve this question, you need some simple logic, common sense. Let me show you. So remember, I told you the first rule is you can only change the rooms or the days. You don't change both at the same time. Now, start with 10 men. Okay? We keep the men the same. So we change one of them. We will change the 2 rooms to 6 rooms. Easy, because I can just multiply 2 by 3, I'll get 6 rooms. Right? Now, with 10 men, same number of men as before, now you have to paint more rooms. Would you need more days? Common sense tell you will need more days. So when you need more, you multiply. And you multiply by the same number, 15 days. Okay. Now you'll notice, your 6 rooms, you have got 6 rooms same as these, right? So lock this. Okay, lock this. Don't change anymore. You got it already. Next, you need to change of 15 days to 1 day. Okay? Because that's what is required. So to change 15 days to 1 day, you divide by 15. You get 1 day. Now, from this to this, you are painting the same number of rooms, but now with much fewer days. From 15, you reduce number of days to 1 day. Would you need more men than before? Logic will tell you same number of rooms, fewer days, you will need more men. So to have more, you multiply and multiply by the same number. So 10 times 15, and that is the answer. Got it? So this is how you work through, all right? Only change one at a time and use some common sense, and can only multiply and divide, no other thing. I'll go through question 8 with you. You just check your answer, all right? Now, remember I say again, there's 3 things. One is the resources, one is the job work done, and third is the time. So given this question, cats are the resources. Mice is the work done. You're supposed to catch mice. Times the days. Okay, so you start out with 24 cats, catch 6 mice in 2 days. Now, your objective is to change your cats from 24 to 2 cats, and your mice from 18 to 6, sorry, from 6 to 18. So 24 to 2, 6 to 18. Okay? One at a time. Cannot change 2. So I'll log my days first. I will change. You can change either one, up to you. Okay. In this solution, I'm going to change. We are changing the they are changing the mice. So if I change 6 mice to what? Change 6 mice to what? To 18. So I times 3. Right. If I times 3, I change 6 mice to 18 mice, meaning now I will catch 18 mice in 2 days. Before that, I was catching 6 mice in 2 days. To do the same number, to catch the same number of mice in 2 days, to catch more mice in the same number of days, I would need more cats, right? Logic one. So more means multiply. So 24 multiplied by 3. All right. So you got 18 mice, matches this, locked it. Okay. Now you have to change your 72 cats to 2 cats. 72 to become 2. How do you do it? Very simple. Divide by 36. Okay, use your calculator and test it out. Divide by 36, you get 2 cats. 72 divided 2 is 36. So now you reduce your cats from 72 to 2, but you're still catching the same number of mice, 18, meaning you need more days. More days means multiply. So multiply by 36. Answer is 72 days. Got that, everybody? Any question? Any question? It may sound a bit difficult, but trust me, you do this a few times, it becomes very logical already. This is just common sense thing. Okay? Any question? Any question? Okay, no question? All okay? Clear? If you are clear, example, if you wasn't clear, you weren't clear before I explained to you, and you're clear now. Okay, I ask you to do one thing, is to revise, meaning go through this one more time on your own without the solution. Okay,